What's up to my friends on YouTube, and welcome back to another Cut the Rope walkthrough tutorial. Today I will be walking through level 5 on Foil Box, walking you through and showing you exactly what you need to do to get that 3-star rating. And if you did need help on any other levels in the Cut the Rope, on any level throughout the series, check the description down below. The first video linked at the top there is going to have a playlist with every single video with walkthroughs for 3-star ratings, just like this one here today. And speaking of the one here today, I am going to hop into it right now and show you exactly what you need to do to get that 3-star. And hopping in here, you can see we have the sliders again, and the top one goes all the way to the right with the bottom one going all the way to the left. You would cut the top rope and the bottom one continues to swing, getting the first 2 stars nice and easy. And then as you can see, it goes down to the bottom level, getting that 3rd star, and you could just slide it right over Omnam's mouth, cut it into his mouth, and get the 3-star rating. Very simple and very quick and easy. That's all there is to it, but like I said, if you did need help on any other levels, check that playlist. It'll be linked at the top of the description for you. If you did have any questions on how this level was completed, leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Other than that, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.